To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now visit the profile of the person whose posts you want to receive notifications for. For this, tap on the search icon and enter the name of the profile. Tap on the profile name. Again tap on the name to open the profile. Then tap the bell icon in the top right corner. Here you can turn on notifications for posts and live streams. Under Posts, select All. You will now receive all notifications anytime they post a video. Below you will see live videos. Select All. You will now receive all notifications anytime when they go live. Repeat these steps to turn on post notifications for each of your favorite creators, so you never miss their new content. So in this way, you can get notified when someone posts on TikTok.